You want to create awesome lip sync videos with Nano Banana 2? Stick around all the way to the end and see this fun, easy process of how you can turn your ideas into reality with Dzine. Let's party. Alright guys, we're in Dzine. Let's get this started. Let's do this. We're going to start from an image. So we're just going to click and we're going to start with my creative director, Dick Smith. So we got Dick here as our base image and we're going to go to the one and only Nano Banana just by clicking over there. And as you can see, it's considered a style. So these styles are mixed with actual styles, as you can see, but also with different models. So you select this model and you can use Nano Banana on this image as an image to image. See how you watched directly into image to image? That is default, which is good. So now we just have to give it a prompt of what we want. So I'm going to describe what I want here with Dick right there. A loser office worker with brown hair, slicked back hair, brown eyes, and a brown mustache as a detailed high production anime character in an awesome cinematic anime movie scene with high contrast. Output quality, let's do 4K, default aspect ratio, and let's go. And in my opinion, guys, as a best practice, you're gonna want to generate more than just one image at a time. So we're just gonna click that button 2 times. We'll click that button a 3rd time. Images are pretty quick here in Dzine, so it shouldn't take too long to do that. While we're waiting, guys, I want to tell you guys about an awesome freaking deal that's going on right now with Dzine. They are a partner of mine. I've been using Dzine for several months now. I love them. And they're having a Black Friday deal from November 20th, which was a few days ago, 2025, through December 4th, 2025, CMT. All you have to do is use the special link in the description or click on the link in the comment below and then enter promo code THANKS2025 at checkout and you'll receive 50% off your first purchase. Back to the video. And our images are done, guys, so let's check out all 3. And the first one is the one I like the best. I think that looks incredible. Looks very close. And if you click on the image, you can actually compare it to the base. So if you hold down on the compare button, you can see the original Dick Smith with the anime Dick Smith, courtesy of Nano Banana Pro. I like that one the best. I'll show you the other ones really quick. That one didn't come out that great. And of course, we're trying to get it to look as close to the real Dick as possible. This one didn't come out that bad, but I definitely like number 1 the best. Now from here, to make your lip sync video, and we are going to use Kling for this example, you have a couple different options. You can first create an AI video of the image and then add your lip sync, or you can go straight to lip sync. If you go straight to lip sync, the difference here is you're not going to have control over what happens in the video. So in this case, if I want that flame to get bigger and bigger and bigger, for example, and I want it to start smoking, or I want the car to explode or something cool like that, I'd want to first go to an AI video and then do lip sync on that AI video. So in this case, that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to click on AI video and it's automatically going to launch us into the AI video section here of Dzine. Now you can use this as your keyframe if you wanted to, and in this example, of course, we want to. And we're going to select a different version of Kling. So my favorite is Kling 2.1 Pro at the moment because I think that the output quality is good enough to the where it warrants that additional usage. I think it's worth it. It's about twice as expensive, but not bad at all. 75 credits. And we're going to keep it at 1080p quality. We're going to keep the aspect ratio. We're going to keep it at, actually, let's do 5 seconds. I really don't want to wait for anything. So we're now going to plug in the prompt that I already wrote and I'll show you guys what it is. So we had a cinematic style movie scene in the ghetto of Detroit where the fire behind the man burns and blazes and a random person walks into the scene behind him. The camera slowly and slightly zooms into the scene while the main character remaining in the center of it while he slowly tilts his head back a bit. So that's a lot of instructions to give it all at once. So let's see how it does. It might not get all those details. We wanted to be specific just to see what it can do. Let's go. And again, I actually clicked the button 2 times because I wanted to generate 2 videos so that I have an option to select my favorite one. Definitely do that with images. I mean, you might want to do it more like 3 or 4 times with images. That's why Midjourney gives you 4 by default so that you can pick your favorite. But with video, obviously you're going to be waiting longer to do more than one. But personally, really, I would suggest doing more than one. I'd suggest doing 2 videos at a time so you have one ready to go that you can select your favorite. So both generations are ready, guys. Let's see what happened. That looks pretty damn good. I mean, it followed the instructions real well. I like version 1. Now you'll be launched into this screen right here. So it's going to automatically try to detect the faces in the image. In this case, we got Dick right here. We're going to click next. Now here we have a few different options. We'll go from top to bottom. So Pro or normal, I always leave it on Pro. That's the best way to go. So I think you should too. Output quality, let's do 1080p. As you can see, it's just a 10 token difference. Might as well go with the better one. And here we have the video timeline. So when you go to the voices, you have a variety of different voices you can generate right inside Dzine if you'd like. There are quite a few different options. Personally, I like the upload audio feature. If you wanted to, you could actually record your own voice and then put your voice on your character. That's one very cool option. Or you can go over to 11labs.io, set up a free plan, and then just type out whatever you want. This is my dialogue. I selected my little character over here. There's a bunch of different characters. And then you just click generate speech. But before you do that, you need to go to the model and make sure the model is on 11v3 alpha. That's the best one at the moment. It is mind-blowingly realistic. So check it out. Just click on generate speech. Got 2 variations here. Let's go.
My name is Dick Smith. I'm a total loser. I'm the one who set that car on fire. What are you going to do about it?
Okay, so I like that one better, so I'm going to download it right here. So we got the downloaded file, and now we're going to go right back here, and I'm going to drag and drop it into the interface. Right here is the little video scrubber thingy. So this is very, very basic. Okay, you just have video, and then you have speaker 1, speaker 2. It does support multiple speakers, by the way. So that's something that you'll want to test out, and that's something that we'll test out at some point soon, but at the moment we cannot. So here you can actually preview. My name is Dick. The timing, or at least, okay, so you can preview the timing of when the speech is going to happen throughout the video. And as you can see here, this is a 5-second video and this audio clip is 7 seconds. So what it's going to do is the AI is going to automatically extend the video for you. Now that may or may not work great. You'd probably be better off with an audio clip that's shorter than your video so that you're not rolling the dice. I have done this before and it didn't work out quite the way I wanted, so I had to redo it. But we're gonna see how well this one works, so let's go. And hey, this is the moment of truth, guys. Are you guys ready for this shit? This is drum roll time. Let's go.
Let's see what happened.
My name is Dick Smith. I'm a loser. I'm the one who set that car on fire.
Now I want to show you guys some examples of experiments I ran with my dog, Bear Wrinkles. So, you guys don't know Bear Wrinkles Smith. He is our marketing assistant here at Run the Prompts. And before we go any further, I need to let you know that Dick Smith is not a real person. He's an AI character that only exists in the warped imagination of his creator, Nick Smith. Yours truly. Here's the project I made on Bear Wrinkles. We started off with this image right here. It's an AI image, just like the Dick Smith started off with an AI image. So what we're doing here, guys, is we're taking AI images, we're turning them into new AI images. We're taking those new AI images, we're turning them into AI movies, and we're turning those AI movies into AI lip sync movies. We've come full circle, guys. We start with AI, we end with AI. That's what we do here at Run the Prompts. Anyways, we started with that image. I used Nano Banana Pro to turn it into that image. Very cool. Again, hit the compare button, hold on to it, and you can see that nice transition right here. Very, very cool. Barrinkle's hard at work, employed the muff, we love him. Just a great employee. So then we turned that into a video, image to video. Isn't that just adorable? I love it. So we have a nice little video of my dog typing on the computer here on the prompts. And then we wanted to add some sound effects. So what we did is we clicked on sound effects button right here on the image to video. And then we entered in a prompt of something like add clicking and clanking sounds on the keyboard as the dog types. And then click to generate. And then after that, we ended up with this. Check it out. That's going to do it for this edition of Run the Prompts on YouTube. If you guys got any amount of value whatsoever, I'm going to need you to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Don't be a loser, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And until next time, remember to run the prompts and prompt the planet.